Mastering, to whom it may concern, a guide to formal English greetings. Hello learners! Today we're going to delve into a very important topic in English written communication, the use of to whom it may concern. This phrase is widely used in formal letters and emails when the writer does not know the name of the recipient. It's a universally accepted, respectful way to begin a letter. Let's first understand what to whom it may concern means. This phrase is a formal way of addressing someone whose name you do not know. It is often used in formal letters or emails where the recipient is unknown or generic, such as when sending a letter to a company or organization. It's a way of saying, this message is for whoever it is relevant to. So, when do we use this phrase? Typically, to whom it may concern is used in business letters or professional communications when the name of the recipient is unknown. Examples might include job applications, complaint letters, or formal requests. Remember, it's best to use a specific name if you know it, but if not, to whom it may concern is a suitable alternative. Now let's look at how to use this phrase. It is placed at the beginning of the letter or email, followed by a colon. For example, to whom it may concern, the first letter of each word is capitalized, and the phrase is followed by a colon, not a comma. Every word that follows should be written in formal English. It is also good practice to use formal sign-offs, like, yours faithfully, or, best regards, to maintain the same level of formality throughout your letter. While to whom it may concern is commonly used, it's not the only option for formal, impersonal greetings. Other phrases can be used, such as, Dear Sir or Madam, or Attention Human Resources Department, when you're writing to a specific department. Keep in mind, though, that it's always better to personalize your letter if possible. We hope this video helps you understand the usage of to whom it may concern in English formal written communication. Remember, it's a versatile phrase for when you're uncertain who your reader might be, but whenever possible, try to find out the recipient's name or specific role for a more personalized approach. Happy writing, learners!